Hello there! Welcome to the Dezperate Actor YouTube channel. It's me, Steve from Dezperateactor.com, and today we're going to be talking about, is it time for you to get representation? Is this the time that you've been waiting for to get the proper representation, to be there backing you up and submitting you to the roles that you need? Well, first and foremost, you have to evaluate yourself. You have to evaluate, have you had enough training? Do you have enough things in the background that you've done? Whether it's production, whether it's actual training, from code reading classes to acting technique to maybe some improv. Do you have enough of that? And if you don't, and all you have is that will of like actually going for it and do it, or you think you have a great look and that's what you want to do, I would suggest that it could be the time that you get representation, but start with commercial representation first. And why commercial first? Because commercial agents are so wide, and they are the easiest agents to get. So if you're just starting your journey right now, or you are in the part of your life where you go like, you know what, I don't have that much experience, but I do have some great marketing materials. I will say the best way for you to get started will be with a commercial agent. And you can find commercial agents all over the world, from Los Angeles to Atlanta to Canada, London, New York, Texas. There's so many ways that you can get a commercial agent. And the commercial department divides in different aspects. So there's commercials that go straight to TV or web or anything that has to do with a screen, and there's also print commercial agents. So you could be with a commercial agent that can exclusively represent you in all those different aspects, both print and also video. As like you can also have a commercial agent that represents you for the on-screen things, and another commercial agent that represents you in the print department. So it's all dependent on you really, and where you get those different representation. On the Dezperateactor.com, if you go there, we have a program called the Dezperate Actor Cracking the Hollywood Code, and we have the 2.8 Supercharged edition that we go more into details and depth on how to actually approach these agents and kind of make a little target list of the ones that you actually want to go to represent you specifically. So if you want to check that out, definitely go to Dezperateactor.com to go and check all that stuff. But yeah, if you're a little bit more seasoned, if you already have your demo reel together, your marketing materials are flawless, you're perhaps already in the union, or maybe you're not in the union, but you do have some roles under your belt, then it could be the time for you to get theatrical representation. And those are more of the representation that will get you into television roles, into industrial series, into actual films. And indie films, independent as well as Hollywood blockbuster if you're a person that you're in the union already. And if for you it sounds a little bit more intimidating, kind of going towards that theatrical or maybe even commercial, perhaps you might need management. And to get a manager is also pretty easy compared to the commercial agent. So it just depends on what level you want to get a manager. But of course, if you're just getting started, then start with a manager that can potentially not only represent you, has the best interest for you, but also can help you get that proper representation. Because a manager facilitates all those opportunities for you and actually can help you also get representation in the agency department. So that would be commercial, that would be voiceover, that would be theatrical. Any way, shape, or form that you need, you communicate it to your manager if you have one or are seeking one, and they should be able to help you as well. But again, if you want to go more into details on how to contact these people, how to get in touch with them, how to get their information, all those different things, go to Dezperateactor.com, and we have their premium courses for you to follow along, as well as free resources as well for you to get all the knowledge that you need in order to propel your career to the next level. This has been Steve Des from Dezperate.com. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share with a friend or two that might need it more than you do, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.